Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Gloom healing food. When exploring dangerous areas, you might encounter Gloom, which can reduce your maximum heart containers. Fortunately, you can prepare special dishes to counteract this effect. We'll focus on using sundelians, a vital ingredient found in sunny, high-altitude locations, to restore your health and continue your adventures safely. The most crucial ingredient for Gloom healing is the sundelian. These golden flowers are commonly found on sky islands and mountain tops. When cooked, each sundelian restores 3 of your Gloom-damaged heart containers. Remember, Gloom healing specifically brings back your maximum heart capacity, which is different from simply refilling your current health. Always keep a good supply on hand for your journeys. To maximize your Gloom healing, combine several sundelians in a single dish. For instance, 3 sundelians with Hylian rice can restore up to 9 Gloom-damaged hearts. If you add 4 sundelians to Goron spice, you can recover 12 hearts. For the most potent effect, try combining sundelians with sun pumpkins. This powerful meal can restore an impressive 15 hearts, ensuring you're fully prepared for any challenge. For optimal Gloom healing, always cook your ingredients in a pot. It's important to differentiate between Gloom healing, which restores your maximum hearts, and Gloom resistance, which temporarily protects them. Dark clumps are used for resistance, not healing. When venturing into the depths, always carry a diverse selection of Gloom healing meals. Remember, you can also restore your maximum hearts by returning to the surface or activating a light root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.